So let's talk about my favorite stretch routine for my shoulders with a belt. So we're going to start with the triceps. What we're going to do is take the belt open. We're going to get it behind our back. That top arm is going to be the targeted arm. Then grab that belt and you're going to drive both hands down. Try to get your targeted side. Try to get that elbow pointed up towards the ceiling. Once you get to the end range of motion, you hold and breathe till you feel that release. And then once it releases, you could switch to the other side. And you're going to turn around and you're going to have the belt. Now you're going to hold it in the hand. You're going to get it so your knuckles are facing a little bit behind you. You're going to push down with the belt. Get that arm to rotate. So that way you stretch out those internal rotator cuff muscles. Hold and breathe. You put those arms in front of you enough, so make sure you feel that release. Once you feel that release, we're going to target the deltoid and the shoulder cap. So you're going to take that same belt, continue holding it. You're going to hold it with the other hand, and you're going to pull it away from that shoulder cap until you feel that stretch in your shoulder cap. You could also feel it in your traps, but once you're there, you hold and breathe. You feel that release, and then you'll use a belt to stretch out your shoulder muscles.